Hi, in this lesson we will learn case statement with group by clause. Let's learn how to use case statement with group by clause. So case statement with group by clause helps us in creating the categories on demand and to get aggregations on top of it. So group by clause causes the rows of the item table to be collected into groups. By using case statement with group by, we can perform task or apply condition on those groups. Now let's see some example. So problem statement is that the organization wants to label the employees to executive class, that is greater than or equal to 1,25,000 salary versus normal class, and get the average salaries belonging to each class. So here in the table we have employee ID, first name, last name, department and salary. So as per our task, we have to create a new column and name the column as class and separate the employees into executive class and normal class as per the condition that salary, if it's salary greater than or equal to 1,25,000, then that employee will be under executive class and others will be under normal class. And also they have told us that we have to find the average of those salaries. So we have to find the average of executive class employees and find the average salary of normal class employee. Now let's check the output. Here we have successfully created a new column employee class. So the employees who has salary greater than 1,25,000 comes under executive class and below 1,25,000 comes under normal class. Then, so once we divide the employees into two groups, that is executive class group and normal class group, they had asked us to find the average salaries of those class. So for average salary of executive class and average salary of normal class. So now let's go to Metabase and execute our code. So let's first have a look at employees detail table. We'll write a query, select star from employees detail. Let's execute this query. Here we have employees detail like ID, first name, last name, salary, region ID, gender. So the task given to us is we have to separate the employees into executive and normal class groups and then find the salary or average salary of executive class group and normal class group. So let's write the query. So find average salary of executive and normal class employees. So we will write select. So initially we have to separate the employees into two groups. So for that we will be using case statement. So I'll start with the keyword case. When, what is the condition? Salary lesser than 1,25,000 will be under normal class. So I'll write normal. Else others will be under executive. Let's end the case with the keyword end and give a name to our column. I'll name it as employee class. Next, we have to find the average of the salary. So in order to find the average, I'll use the keyword AVG of salary and give a name to it as average salary. So from, and select it from table employee detail. Next, I will use group by. So I have to find the average salary of both the groups. Group by and separate them into groups by using case statement again. When condition salary less than 1,25,000, then comes under normal, else the employees come under executive group. And let's end this case statement with the keyword end. Let's run the code and check. Yes, so we have successfully found the average of executive class employees and normal class employees. So initially what we have done, we have divided the employees into two groups and then found the average of those groups. So here you can see that after group by, I have used the same case statement. So here in this case, you can, instead of writing the same case statement, you can also use the previous case statement name as the reference to our group by. What was the case statement name? Employee class. Now let's run the code and check if this will work. Yes, this will also work. You can either use the entire case after group by, or else you can just use the name of our previous case. Both will work. Now, let's check the summary. So here, case statement with group by clause again helps us in creating the categories on demand and to get the aggregation on top of it. Next, let's see case statement with group by syntax. So initially, what you have to do is you have to select and use case keyword when condition 1, then expression 1. So you can give n number of conditions. And if you have a default expression, use else statement and then end the case. From table name, use keyword group by, and again you can repeat the same case, or else you can just give the name of the previous case here.